Morning everybody and welcome back to another video. Happy Saturday. I hope you're all having a great weekend so far. You won't see this until tomorrow as today is my day off, but I'm recording. That's the only problem. You're supposed to have a day off and you don't get a day off because you still got to record for the day after. Anyway, what we're doing today, we're going to be doing this snake mould. I've had this a while and getting around to all my getting through most of my moulds now. So I'm not doing anything special. I'm just going to be using these opal flakes. They're basically chameleon flakes. So this one is the purple opal flakes from Just For Online UK. This has a blue to gold to purple shift, and then this one is the aqua opal flakes, and this has got like a green to yellow blue type of colour. So I'm just going to be putting them everywhere. I'm not going to, there's no random, it's just going to be random. It's not anything particular. And then I'm going to back it in white. And the only reason why I'm backing it in white is just because. I don't use a lot of white really. It's mostly black. So I'm going to shimmy this down here a little bit. And hopefully these will stick onto here. Right, so, and that's it. So I'll show you what to do. I'm not tongue twisted today. I'll show you what to do and then I'll put you on time lapse. And that's basically all I'm doing, is just putting them randomly. And then I'll come in with a bit of a harder brush to make them more shiny. The more you rub them in, the more embellished they are in the mould. So I'll time lapse you now. Right, so I have left some little bits of areas clear, and the reason why I'm doing that is because I'm going to go over with some chameleon powder, and I just want a hint of another colour, just something a little bit different, just so that it's not just all the same. So I was thinking the galaxy colour, which is, just bear with me a second. There we go. So it's like a little galaxy. Where the hell is it? Yeah. So it's like a pinky. That's champagne actually. So galaxy. So you know what? I can't find my galaxy one. Right, I'm gonna go for plum. So this has got like a purpley, browny, goldy colour. So whatever colours you put down first on your mould is what's going to come off when you do your resin anyway. So this will only show up if there's any areas missed. So even though I'm putting it over the top, it's not going to be coming onto anything else.
Brush it on, right on top, liquid shine, make it pop. From mold, silicone set, making art we won't forget. Brush and shine, oh oh, oh oh, oh oh. From mold, let it show, 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 show. Epoxy resin all around, around. Dance it up with that sound, 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 sound. Colors blend, nice and bright. In the mold, hold it tight. Create a spark in the air. Liquid shadow.
Right. So that's that. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to get a blush brush, which is a bigger brush, and I'm going to brush it really hard, and that should make it shiny then, hopefully. I haven't got a hard brush. There you go, can you see the difference? So I'm trying to see where it's not shiny. Yeah? I can't show you the effect. It's not. You'll see it when it's all finished anyway. So basically, I'm just blending everything in. The more you brush, the more shiny it goes. I can't see if you can see. I'm trying to look through the camera. Can you see? Right guys, so that's that done. So I'm going to have a clean up and get some resin mixed, and I'll be back shortly. See you shortly. Right, so I'm back and I've mixed up 17 pumps of resin and 17 pumps of hardener. Works out about 150, 160 mils. So, in fact, I'm going to back it in black, because I'm just going to possibly ruin the colours. So I'm just using the jet black pigment paste from Just Your Line UK, as always. So I'm just dipping my stick in, pulling it out, putting it in, that's it. So I'll time lapse this because you don't need to see me doing this, do you?
Mix it up, mix it right. Black opal shining bright. Epoxy in, start the flow. Watch the magic, here we go. New effect on the move. Frog is ready, smooth and cool. Pour it slow, take your time. Let's create, make it shine. Hopping high, epoxy resin, touch the sky. Black opal.
Just get a baby wipe. I'm just going to pour this quite slowly. I probably won't have enough resin. Never seem to these days when I make some. We're just going to pour it slowly and just let the resin go where it wants to go. Just because it's got such fine details, you don't want to get any air pockets caught in the skin effect on the mould. So just pour your resin and let the resin go where it wants to go. And once your resin starts flowing, you can move just at the back where it's flowing. Let that flow a little bit. I probably need to mix up some more resin, I think. And hopefully it'll turn out really pretty. I don't like snakes. Pretty, there's some pretty, very pretty ones, but I've never held one. Never been in the same room as one, and never will. No, they freak me out. Are we going to have enough now? Here's me, wishful thinking, eh? Can you hear me alright recently? Someone commented that I seem to have gone lower. And it's just because I haven't been using my microphone because I've got a new phone, you see. So, right, I'm going to mix up another another 100 mils. I have got another mould here I am filling. I'm going to mix up another 100 mils, put black in it. I'm not going to, I don't need to come back on and show me doing that. It's just going to put in some more resin, and I'll be back to demold, so I shall check back with you later. Bye. Right, we are back, and this is now cured enough for me to demold, so we're just gonna demold it. Right, it's actually come out absolutely stunning, look at this. Looks real. I love it. What do you think, guys? What do you think of them chameleon flakes? Really nice. It's a shame it wasn't a little bit deeper, the mould. I suppose you could stick two together, back to back, maybe. But I really like that. I love them flakes. Are you getting the colour shift there? I really like it. I'm going to have to do some more things with them. I actually love them. Very pretty. Right, guys. I'm going to leave that with you for today. All things for today that have been used in the video will be down in the description box for you, along with discount code from Just For You Online for a 15% off. I did use the Apex High Gloss 1-to-1 resin. So please like, comment and subscribe if you've not already done so. That would help my channel out so much. And I shall see you on tomorrow's upload. Goodbye, thanks for watching,